How to turn off all notifications on iPhone. To turn off all notifications on iPhone, you first need to swipe down from the upper right corner of your screen. The control center will appear. Once you are here, you need to enable this focus option. Then, a menu full of options will appear on your screen. You need to set the phone on Do Not Disturb to silence all the notifications. That's a quick way to block all your notifications on your iPhone. You can also open up Settings on your iPhone. Then, scroll down a little bit and open up Notifications. After that, you can just select the apps and turn off their notifications individually. Toggle off the Allow Notifications option. Therefore, by repeating this process you can individually block notifications from your iPhone. By following these simple steps, you can easily turn off all notifications on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.